Wild Rider. This is a Fab Heavy Parts motorcycle lift jack, and I'm Wyoming Rider, and I review electric bikes and other electric vehicles, devices, and occasionally accessories and tools in the most rural state in the country. So come along with me on a new adventure. Now for the unboxing of the Fab Heavy Parts hydraulic motorcycle lift jack. This thing is made to lift motorcycles up to 1,500 pounds. But I'm gonna use it for a different use, but it should be sufficient for what I need. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. First I'll show you the condition. It does have a big hole there, but I think that's where the caster wheels are. So it's a big metal lift jack, so I don't think that's gonna cause any problems. So I'm gonna put this camera down here and we'll quickly open this thing up because it's extremely hot out here, like 105 today. So I wanna quickly get this out of there. Cut all this tape very carefully, not to scratch the pan or anything. Like I said, not that I'm worried too much. And it is a heavy beast, I'll tell you that. It's a small box. Yeah, there we go. Show you what it looks like in the box. Things packaged nicely in some bubble wrap. This looks like a handle. There's another part of it. Like maybe there's a little bit of assembly involved here. Got some tie down straps. And there it is. Oh. I guess that kind of come out of the box. This is the actual jack part of it. That's kind of cool though. Even use that otherwise for other stuff. There we go. Put that in there. Use a stabilizer bolt. So here's what it looks like once you take it all out. It does look like there's a little bit of assembly I'll have to do, but we'll do that inside where it's a lot cooler. Then I'll show you up close this jack and when it's put together, and we'll go over all the specs and features of it, and then we'll actually try it out. So stay tuned. All right, so now the unboxing is done. Here's what it looks like all put together. And make sure you put the bar on the right way. I didn't the first time. I had to flip it back over. This is the first one of these I've ever had, so a little different. This is the jack itself. It has a 1,500 pound capacity. And it also has caster wheels. It's really easy to roll around and easy to use. And they do give you some ratchet straps too, but you see I got them things all water in a box because they're like way too long. I'm just going to use my own because they're a lot shorter, a lot easier to use. But they do work. This is not exactly a motorcycle, but I'm going to use it today on my Goat Power Bikes King Goat. Because this is the, well, probably the second heaviest bike I got, but this is one of the ones that will work for because it has no chain ring. I'm getting another bike pretty soon that this will also work for, but for now we're just going to use this one to show off how it works. First of all, we're going to go ahead and roll it underneath. Roll it under, extend the bike up so you can line it up good. I'll be right about there. Then I'm going to go ahead and lock these down, get it locked into place. There we go. So that way it doesn't go anywhere. And you don't really have to use these straps, but it's a safety thing, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. I'm going to go ahead and get them hooked on the back side here. What you want to do now, make sure you hold the bike upright like this, and you just use this little foot pedal thing here. And you can put some blocks on there, especially if the bike is higher, but this does go up pretty high though. There you go, just like that. Reach the first lock-in marker. We'll probably lift it up to about the second one, but it will go even higher. Or actually, maybe I'll just go all the way to the top. It does take a little while. At the second one, almost there. There we are. Now we're at the top. If I let go of it, it should stay there. But just to be for safety reasons, we'll go ahead and make sure my hooks are still back there. I'll lock this in. Lock my strap in. Oops, maybe I made this one a little too short. There we go. Now it's not going anywhere. Here, I'll show you the other side as well. This is what it looks like on this side when you got it locked in. Like I said, as you see, nice and stable, not going anywhere. And now I can sit in the chair and work on it. And then this would have been very helpful for this bike about 2 months ago when I changed that motor. I would have loved to have this thing then. Had another little small scissor jack, but man, it didn't work near as well as this one does. This one's much easier to use. Just want to quickly show you how the safety bar thing works here. As you see, it's locked in there, so even if something were to happen to that jack, it's still gonna keep the bike up there, not to let it just fall down. So that's the point of that. And the handle you see there, that's just to move it around with. So as you can see, it works very well for this bike. Looks perfect. Said now it's up there, it's not going to go anywhere. I can sit in a chair and work on the bike if I want to. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Probably the main reason why I accepted this. I will definitely use it. Said I got another bike coming really soon, and maybe more in the future that this will be helpful for as well. Stay tuned for those. So now comes the fun part. So we're going to try to lift this thing down as gently as possible. And to do this, you see we're going to have to pull this bar back and then try to gently let it down with this pedal here. This isn't the easiest thing to do, but I'll try my best. Pull this bar back. There we go. Almost had it pulled too close to me, but there we go. I probably could have let that down a little gentler than I did, but it's going to take a little practice to get used to how quickly that goes down. Be a lot easier with two people, somebody just to hold the bike so it doesn't tip one way or the other. But other than that, man, it is a great jack. Works very well. Of course, once you get it back down like this, unhook the straps, be sure to roll these back, screw these back up so you can roll it out from under there, not scratch up the concrete. And once you do that, it simply rolls out. So there you have it. It's going to be probably quite a bit of overkill for what I'm using it for, but hey, it works great, and I'm not going to complain. Thank you very much to Fab Heavy Works for sending me this awesome jack. I really like it. Works very well. It's easy to move around with those wheels. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's a great jack. Great for e-bikes like this one. As long as you have a flat bottom and no chain ring to get in the way, you should be good. And I think maybe it would even work with the chain ring, but I'll have to play around with that myself. You just have to be really careful not to catch it on there and bend it up. But bikes like this works very well. Your e-motos are going to work very well. Any of those kind of bikes, this thing is going to be great for. That is for sure. Very hot out here today. But I'm going to see currently this jack is priced at $305.66 on their website. And if I have any coupon codes, I'll list them below along with my link. So please use the link put down in the description below. And like I said, I'll add any coupon codes I may have and hopefully save you a little bit more. Not sure right now, but I will add them down there if I have to. And thank you so much for coming along on a day's adventure with a Fab Heavy Parts hydraulic lift jack for motorcycles with a capacity of 1,500 pounds. And I'll see you in the next one.